Alright, something different today. I'm going to work on my taillights here off my old Ford pickup here, because they were a little rusted and everything. I was going to just abrasive wheel them and paint them, and I figured, what the heck, let me show you guys how to make them abrasive wheels, save you some money. Here's what one looks like. Let me see if I can zoom in on you here. Alright, now that's a genuine Dremel. If you buy these at the store, they're about $3 a piece, $2.50, $3 a piece. I think they sell them in a pack for two for $6. But anyway, if you separate them, you can actually see there's two of them here, and all they are is these Scotch-Brite pads. They come in different colors, they're different grits. If you buy these from the store, Home Depot or something, in an 8-pack like this is a genuine Scotch-Brite here. An 8-pack is like $3. And if you buy them from the flea market where I get these, they're like $1 for 10 pads. Each color is a different grit. Like this one here is real stiff, and this one here is sort of soft, and the green one's like in the middle. But anyway, and they wear out fast, you know. Here's one here, you know, it don't take nothing to wear them out. And anybody that has a Dremel, here's a couple more, they just wear out so fast. But they work great. And anybody that has a Dremel has these little mandrels, you know. And let me show you another trick. You know, you get there and you unscrew that and it's a pain in the ass, you can't get it. Once in the machine, you know it's being held, but what you do is twist that and it'll come out. Then your screw is loose. There we go. Okay. But anyway, I'm going to show you how to make these. Here's one I made already, and it spins nice and looks good and works great. But let me move you over to the vise there, and I'll show you how I make them. All right, we're over at the vise now. What I use, I don't know what this technically is used for, but I don't know if it's a leather punch or whatever. I use it for gaskets. I think I picked it up for $1 at a flea market or something. But I use it for gaskets. It's a cutter, and you don't really need one of these. I mean, if you wanted to make a perfect circle, you can actually use just a pipe and cut the end and make it sharp. But I use this because I have it, and I just put a piece of this stuff on here. This is a piece of oak. The harder the wood, the better. And I don't know how many I can get out of one of these sheets, but you don't have to hit it hard. There's one. There's two. If you hit it hard enough, it'll stick in there, and you can just keep popping them out. There you go. Okay, but anyway, you don't even have to use a whatever they call this thing, a cutter. Let me get these out of there for you. Okay, so that fast, how many did I make here? That fast, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, 6 of them. So you use 2 of these per mandrel, and it works pretty good. Let me bring you back over there. Alright, like I said, you don't need that punch. You can cut these out with a pair of scissors. That's no problem. And then you try and find the center. Doesn't even have to be perfect, just close. And I take an awl, and you see that one on the back side I went in crooked, but that doesn't matter. That doesn't matter. You don't even need to use that. You know, you could just take this screw, punch that screw through there. Now what I do is a number 6 washer, a little baby washer, and I use that. Put that in there. This is the hardest part of the whole job. All right, and you squeeze it together. And there you go. I got I got the little titty sticking through there. And like I said, just the hardest part of the whole job, just trying to get this pushing it hard enough. I don't even put a washer on the bottom. There we go. I said it was hard, and I did it already. And then you just tighten it on there. Get a pair of pliers here. Get your little screwdriver. And there you go. You're good to go. Like I say, here's one that I already had made. And it's great for this kind of stuff where you want to clean something up. And if they are a little out of round, they'll straighten themselves up. Let me take this one off and try the one we just made. Alright, see, that's not cattywampus at all. That's pretty good. But they were pretty good. But as fast as they wear out, you know, why spend $2.50 a piece for them when you can make them for about 2 or 3 cents a piece? So there you go. There's your tip of the day. Save you some money. All right, enough of this.